Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? It's been a long time. Some of you even ask what's happened with Damian and Winnie from the monkeys. We're still alive and we are in Gdynia dzisiaj, North Poland, actually, in the waterfront.
Yes, actually, we are in Gdynia and then we just want to explore the Polish Baltic Sea, right, Kochani?
At least for a while.
So, right. So now we are in the yacht, the marina yacht, actually in the Gdynia and in the three cities in Poland, right? Kochani,
Three
the
city, which
famous-
in Polish language is Trójmiasto.
Yes,
And this is
so-
Gdynia, which is the most northern part.
Yes.
Usually people go to Gdańsk, then Sopot, and Gdynia is less popular, but it's actually have a marina, have a harbor. Actually, you can go to Sweden from here by car and
Right.
many other things.
Right. And behind me is Marina, yeah, and then that's the Marriott, the court, yeah, Marriott Hotel. As you see that many boats, yachts here, and
There is the
interesting.
residential building, also very interesting.
Yes, and one thing is that, like we always explain to you, Poland has been developing a lot. Finally, the smell of the sea. Maybe many of you don't know that, Poland actually has the part of the northern part of Poland that has closely to the Baltic Sea, right, Kochani? And Poland has a mountain in Tatra Mountains, right? Zakopane
Yes.
has a Baltic Sea,
And many of lakes and forests.
many lakes and forests, and
And the tallest building in European Union,
yes,
which is in Warsaw.
And what I see so far after living here for 2 years is that Poland keeps surprising me a lot. My husband always said to me like, nothing I can do in Poland, but a lot that you can do in Poland. So summer we plan to go abroad, but I just said to my husband, maybe just explore, Polish cities more and more because I don't go much more exploring currently because of the work and everything. But so far, look, people preparing the food and they will go somewhere for a few days on the boat. It's just summer, Kochani.
Still summer. But it will go in one
And then
month.
summer holidays, school holidays, you see that surround me, like there are many schoolies or like students are here. Right. Yes,
No.
you see the small kid over there, even at the young kid.
Actually,
No,
even the young kids, yeah. So cool, huh?
so cool.
And I think there will be some international tournament going on because this boat is actually from Hong Kong, before was from Austria. So they must have some racing. That's actually interesting. You see, we just came and you see something different. All the time something surprising, isn't it?
Yes, the dance.
Sopot,
Sopot,
Gdańsk, Gdynia. That's actually three different cities. And there is hell. But the hell is not like a hell with double L, it's single L, okay? But yeah. This one actually I never been there. We have to go there one day.
Like I told you, Poland keeps surprising me a lot with a lots of things that needs to discover and experience. Kochanie,
Yes, I am.
the beach again.
Beach again. Here
Right.
we go. That's the beach. Seagull. Oh, now the Austria boat there.
No. Kochanie, seems like you are out of words today.
Yeah, brain, the head full of thoughts and the things. Happy to be here.
No.
Happy to be here. Okay, let's have a coffee in the nice
Hey,
place actually by the
look.
beach.
Tak, but look behind you. I will zoom little bit, and this is actually what I'm gonna explain to the people, like construction are going on. You see behind us the background, keep building and building. So many development here in Poland, right?
And this gray building is actually very nice apartment building. I see some guy who is active on Instagram. He have a fancy penthouse on the top floor with the view of this. And this one is actually cool.
Right, and you see behind, many
Also-
people are going somewhere.
Also, this is the most less popular part of the Baltic Sea. I think Gdynia is like most of people go here for harbor and the boats and going to Sweden.
No.
Actually, pretty nice city beach and nice because it's woods. On the other side, nothing is actually distracted. And if you go into this direction all the time, there will be Sopot, and then you can walk up to Gdansk, technically speaking, around 30 kilometers. But for the bicycle ride, lovely.
Kochanie, white sand, sea breeze, salty hair, sandy toes.
Let's go. Actually, the sand in Gdynia is pretty sandy, literally. It's not actually that bad. Sayang, actually sand itself is like in Nusa Dua.
Not that powdery sand, which is?
No,
Which is? Nice.
no.
Let's go to the water.
Alright, let's go. It was pretty chilly, but it's actually pretty warm now. And honestly, I never been in Gdynia. Actually, not on the waterfront. I was last time when I make a video, but that was business trip. And that's the seagull, by the way. Seagulls here are so big, I could say. And so chill though. Yo, what's up, buddy? Yeah, they are so chill. You walk them next to them and they are like chill. Sayank is going to check the water, drive here for hours, mostly for that. And I'm gonna say zimno. Sayank has the water.
Zimno.
That's what I said actually, which is cold. Oh,
Someone is go swimming.
seagull enjoying. The guy swimming there. Yeah.
Kochanie, it's cold, but it's clean. It's clean, I mean.
Yeah, water is clean, that's true. There is no plastic. Have to say that, no? It's clean. Actually. We decided my skill of filming is so bad nowadays. It's been a while when I was filming and too fast, too shaky and too fast.
Yeah, I asked him to record a little bit about, like cinematic, slow motion, so people will not get dizzy when watching us. And I said, Kochanie, why your ways of filming now is getting worse? Maybe long time you didn't make film or something like that. But yeah.
That's why. May happen.
So yeah, we will show you around how is the what the thing that I can say that here the summer vibe, especially in Gdynia, is just peaceful as the police people likes to have a spokoj, right, Kochanie? Like to have a peaceful summer here in Gdynia. But so far my first impression of the Gdynia city is nice, clean beach and
Enjoyable, very slow
Enjoyable.
life here.
slow life. Okay, so now it's time to have a coffee. Damian already little bit tired. Yeah, so it's beautiful promenade and nice beach surrounding,
There
clean.
is nice restaurant for coffee
Yes.
also, I can see that.
Yes.
That's where I wanna hit now.
And yeah, over there will be a nice promenade. So yeah, we will show you
Let's
around.
go.
Okay, so in front of me is also nice restaurant, and this is the footpath.
The
That's a
fish
beach.
statue.
Fish statue, and that's over there is the walking promenade.
Where you can go to actually Gdansk and such.
Nice. Okay, let's go to that restaurant to have a coffee. And look at this. Nice, Kochanie. It's literally Polish seaside. It's literally what I can say that more peaceful.
Magnificent.
Magnificent. No.
For the Polish standard.
Yes, peaceful. Literally peaceful. Even like I feel like you know, afraid to take a breath because of the, you know, how
But
peaceful it is, you know.
Exactly, but this restaurant behind me is actually nothing. It's like in Melbourne, somewhere in Australia, perhaps. Or so come on, it's sport, it's brewery. It's like Melbourne.
Okay, so this one is the walking promenade, and the thing is that there are no drunkies or something like that, and then there is no beach club. No beach club here, right, Kohanye?
No, no beach club.
No beach club, and you can feel it like, you know, chill. Even that here is called Brovar Port. You see, the family. Which is this one is Brovar Port Gdynia. Oh, even they have a beer production here, right? Kohanye, the
Right.
tank.
That's correct.
In the morning you can drink beer, enjoying the sea breeze.
Okay. So we go for coffee shop.
Yes, and no beach club, no loud music. Okay, so let's go. Kohanye, czas na kawę?
Just like Havana. Espresso with the view. Check this out.
Nice, look at this. I just gonna show you around. So we are on top floor, overviewing the. Oh, look at this, so pretty. Nice. Some spaces are still empty. Look at this, how peaceful it is now. How do you feel, Kohanye?
Nice.
Nice.
I like the vibe like this.
Nice. Kochanie, smacznego.
Guess what I have on the table?
Pizza.
Nothing really changed since I come back to Poland, you know. Just less maybe in the vibe like this. Still pizza, still coffee, still cola. Same, but different.
Same but different.
Different.
With the sea breeze, right?
No.
Smacznego.
Dzięki są.
And then for those of you who curious how much we pay, so it's about 82 zloty.
No, no tax and
Cappuccino,
services added.
cola, and yes.
All the prices here is what you see in the menu, that's what you pay. There is no service charges, no taxes additional, no, I don't know, whatever kind of extra fees.
Right, so enjoy with the view.
So how about you, Sayang? Anything change? Not really. Still pizza with me.
No, always.
Sea, sun, sea breeze in your hair, what you say always. Nice, smacznego. So we were in this restaurant, like I said, looked like anywhere else. Very nice actually. I didn't drink the pivo because I'm driving. You
Right,
cannot
so,
drive.
but they have a brewery inside the restaurant, and the thing is that like this one is the promenade, so you can walk after eating, and then here is if you walk through, maybe you will go to
Gdańsk.
Gdansk.
Sopot and then Gdańsk, yeah. But we're gonna drive to Gdańsk.
Yes, so getting busier and busier.
And it's just Monday, and the weather is simply not the best today.
And then
And it's still
biker also already there.
And it's 2 o'clock, by the way, so it's actually not that bad. Not that bad.
Let's go to the next spot then.
Let's go. So where? Gdańsk?
Yes. So it's really nice walking path that this is the bicycle, and here is a kind of the promenade and the shade. The beach is there, and behind me, Kohanye Soto, yes? What is this behind you?
That's actually the submarine. The submarine and the cannons to shoot to the ships. I mean, this is the museum, I guess, but it was in use not so long ago during the World War II.
There are so many things actually in Poland, interesting facts and interesting things to explore, right, Kohanye?
Actually, this is the real submarine.
Yes. And then there is the fish and chip restaurant or something like that, so you can sit and here and enjoying the breeze. There many people are on the, yeah, it's nice. And the thing, What I notice here, this area, what I have to admit is that police seaside is clean. And Kohanye,
Yes.
look at around on the left, on the right side.
Fish
It's
and
just like
cheap.
spotless, yeah? It's
Yeah.
clean, it's clean, you know.
Actually very clean.
Yeah.
And everything is here.
Yes.
It's quieter.
Quieter
I mean,
and then
not quieter, cozy. Cozy.
peaceful. The smell of the fruit cake, Kohanye. Nice. Oh, this one is the museum, no?
Yeah, this is actually the real submarine.
So what I consider is, you know, policy side, especially in Gdynia, it is enjoyable.
Pretty enjoyable, I could say. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually very cozy.
right. And then I don't know what to say. Like,
We just used to be with the very busy places across
Yes.
Asia, everywhere where we go. Even when I was in Australia, everywhere there was always so many people. Here it's just quiet. That's the difference.
and the level of the cleanliness, what I can say that
It's very
just
clean.
amazed me.
It's like clean as Singapore, I could say, literally.
Total.
Or maybe even cleaner because you can still shoot a gun here, but there is no gun spot.
Okay, let's go to the next spot. Okay, Kohanye, now we will go to the parking space, right? Where we park our car. Underground here. Here underground is the parking spot. And here surround is the teatro. And I think there, you know why the people are queuing? They are going on the like a cable car to go to the Widoko Kamena or something like the point of view,
Yeah,
right?
maybe.
And here is the, I think this one the Theater
Theater Museum.
yes.
There is the Mercure Hotel, this grey building actually, but
Yes.
facing the windows to the ocean. That's why it's, from this perspective it's nothing.
Yes.
And there is actually very nice building at the front of us. This one, the corner one with the gardens on the
Yes.
top. So it's actually nice. And very, 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 very cozy city of Gdynia, I could say.
Clean baby. Mostly police cities are like this. Right, so we just arrived in the Gdansk city and we park our car there in the Forum Gdansk Mall. So now let's explore how is the Gdansk city during the summer. I can feeling like, you know, everywhere are tourists. You know, this place I believe like more touristy than Poznan, right?
Definitely, definitely.
And then the architecture, building, and you know, it's look like Poznan, Kamienica, but it's totally different. On the left, on the right side, more tourists are coming here. So yeah, let's go. And then here is the street to the restaurant on the left, on the
That's
right.
the thing. Actually, if we are talking about the tourist cities, so Gdańsk, generally together with Krakow, is the most visited one and the most tourist one. Poznan is more into business city rather than tourism, and Warsaw is obviously capital, so it's mix of everything. But Gdańsk is typically tourist city.
And look, today is Monday, and you see that, you know, everywhere is
Everywhere is packed.
packed. You know, people are here, and the thing is that when you walk here, I feel like, you know, I feel safe, and obviously clean street. Clean street, Kohanye.
What should I say?
I have no idea. Just behind you, there is a one pretzel shop. There is queue is quite long.
Quite long actually, just for the pretzel though.
Okay, so we were in Gdansk for pizza. No, we were in Gdynia for pizza. So now we are in Gdansk for what, Kohanye?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. But first of all, let's stroll around. And Gdansk is famous for the amber stone, right? Like that one.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And if
Okay.
you wanna see the video from Sopot, you can search on our The Monkey Sopot. There is video from last year.
But the thing is that literally during summer, it's packed with the people. Yes.
Definitely, no?
Yeah. So right in front of us is the town hall, right, Kohanye?
Town hall or city hall?
City hall,
Or Ratu.
Ratus. And here is the walking street. It's a quite long walking street, kochanie.
Well, that's why the street name is Długa, which is long.
Uh-huh. And yeah. And look at the kamienica. And literally, like, you know, last time that we were here, I think when it was autumn, right? Last year, kochanie, tak? And still, you know, this city is just like keep amaze me. I mean, like Poland in general keeps amazing me with you know, surprising me with the number of the tourists here. Wow. I feeling like I'm not in Poland. Look at this one behind you. This one.
Beautiful, isn't it?
No. I zoom it a little bit. Okay.
Let's
Let's
get
go.
to the square, the main square at the
No.
front of it.
No.
There is
Let's
actually
go.
the fountain
No.
and
Nice.
even more people.
Right. Let's go.
So this is the square here in Gdansk city actually. Check this out with the beautiful looking the townhouses, which is the Kamienica, and also the Neptune fountain. And then, yeah, it's pretty busy as Winnie said, right?
I told you it's like, you know, we were in Krakow, we were in all the main cities in Poland. But when my husband said, oh, honey, let's go to, you know, Troy Miasto, Gdynia, Gdansk, and then I will say, let's go because, you know, it's
Let's
always
go.
nice.
Always nice to go. And obviously there are so many restaurants everywhere around where you can enjoy the time with the beverage or food or both, particularly preferable. And no, you can come for the drineczek, prosecco, the guy inviting, of course, Italian, beautiful architecture, some tourists, obviously from all around the world, more and more international people coming to Poland, and then you have amber, the stuff like this one, the necklaces, which is the amber is very popular stuff in Poland though, Cyan. Amber.
Yes.
Even the highway, the main highway A1, it's called Amber Highway. So we're gonna cross this little bit of the under bridge or the gate. I think it's actually particularly the gate connecting the old town with the downtown waterfront, I could say like this. They're selling something obviously, and this is like a refurbished, destroyed actually townhouses refurbished into the style of the old school but with the modern glass stuff. And then is the waterfront with Galera. Pirates boat, baby.
Oh no, they have like a cruising boat now in some regions.
Yeah, that's something what actually wasn't in there last time when we were. So that's the nice townhouses, restaurants, and there are cruises, boats, and the pirates ship there. This is actually the Galeon what I was looking last time, what was gone.
No, the thing is that, you know, people always comparing like Gdansk with the Copenhagen or with Amsterdam. So
Somehow it's actually similar.
it's the same but different.
Similar and also similar geographically as well and historically. So here is the continuation, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Chinese restaurant over here, pretty old and famous, and this is the modern restaurant actually. And wow, Gdańsk is Gdańsk. It's very specific.
Yes, it's actually
Tourist city. You can feel that, you know.
yes, and then amount of literally like, you know, amount of the tourists I think is more numerous when I compare it last year. And the thing is that, you know, whenever I open social media, people always talk about Poland nowadays. Nowadays, Poland becoming, you know, booming.
I think more and more each year is becoming more and more popular. Simple as that.
And the more we walk, it's just like the restaurant strips everywhere. And here is the crab, you know, I think that's one of the fancy restaurant here in Gdansk,
No.
and we were once in Torun, right?
No. Yeah, this one is nice. Sklepy Vino, yeah. We were here, not here, but in Torun. Maybe, but we already eat some. You want again?
Let's walk. The more we walk, maybe the more we hungry. You remember that last time we actually planned to go to Copenhagen? You know, just to go to a different country and see how it is. And then when I check the price, oh my god, Copenhagen is way more expensive than Gdansk. But you just come there for the view of like this. So go to Gdansk instead and get a more affordable price. And
Until it's become as expensive as Copenhagen, because it may happen actually in next few years.
generally it's nice. And look at this building. I think that this one is just refurbished.
Which one? Oh yeah, this
This
one.
area, which is last
Yeah, I think it's gonna be hotel, or it is a hotel, or gonna be, and it's totally refurbished, but with keeping the architecture of the old building what it was here.
Like I told you, Poland keeps surprising me in general, getting better and better.
So this one, basically everything here wasn't existing here, but now they open some hotels, some nice restaurants, some even cigar lounge and everything. So this is only the proof of development, sayang.
Exactly, and what I can say that it's literally, you know, like keep better and better, and then it's just going into more fancy that I see.
Nothing to be ashamed of Poland then. Then you have some hotels,
Look,
some
Hotel Gdansk, 5
residents.
star, and the yacht.
Yeah.
This is simply cool.
Very cool. Same as the weather, it's also cool here. It's definitely cooler than in the South Europe somewhere, or Mediterranean climate. But actually if you go to Amsterdam or Copenhagen, it will be same weather, technically speaking. So this is like a Central Europe climate. So actually this whole area here, it was the old port or harbor in Gdańsk, but of course it's moved to Gdynia right now. This is more into the tourism and small boats, like a little yachts here. But also very nice example is here, like this is very old building with the old bricks, which is refurbished but is old, and then it's connected to the brand new building which is fully glass. So this is actually nice how they connected it, right, Sam?
Right, Kohani, let's see over there. You see, it's more lively and more vibrant. Oh my God, look, they have the carousel over there, and they have like, is that a Titanic boat?
I don't know, let's go. So we came from this direction. This is somewhere where we have to explore. This is like an old thingy. The boat is coming here. Check this out, little with the shore. And there is the bridge. This bridge is actually moving to opening the way for the bigger boats. And the restaurants. That's a hotel with the nice steakhouse. So thank you, Jad. Okay, let's
Really
go.
enjoyable.
So we're on this bridge, check this out, and there is the Galeon. I'll zoom it for you because it's actually a pretty nice boat though. When I was here in 2023, after 10 years, it wasn't here actually, I was looking for it. And yeah, some nice decent restaurant and stuff like this one. And it's pretty busy actually, especially to compare to Gdynia.
Okay, so now we will stroll around to show you how it is. And literally, wow. Kohani, you see, I walk here, is even no single rubbish on the street. This is like a tourist city, but it's clean, tak Kohani? And then the river, we walk to the river. And is it a Titanic boat or what, Kohani? Okay, I'll zoom a little bit and show you. Right. The restaurant, sushi restaurant, and then in front of me the building. Quite old architectures.
That's actually the part of the harbor.
Uh-huh. Nice.
What did you say?
No, the dog go piss me off.
Scares you, doggo.
Look at this. The Titanic. You can go up there.
That's the name of the Titanic Sodex.
No. And look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Literally.
Beautiful, isn't it?
No.
Well, it's actually like Titanic have only one emergency boat. Titanic also didn't have many.
Is this the Venice of the Poland?
Oh, it's like Amsterdam or
Amsterdam.
Venice is totally different.
Uh-huh.
We will go one day. Amba, some restaurants, and Bulvary.
And this one,
Dolce Vita restaurant. So technically more and more interesting stuff is coming here. Some people enjoying the small boats. That's a Polish Philharmonic
yes,
boats.
you know, I just like a loss of my words. I just speechless, like, people enjoying that boat trip, cruise, something like that. And the city boat cruise. And then, that restaurant, hotel. Literally the summer vibe in Europe that probably, whenever you Google in Europe where to go, instead of the expensive Amsterdam or Copenhagen, France.
Yeah, but probably it's not appearing much on searching engine. Or maybe yes, actually. More and more popular anyways. Alright, let's go. That's your doggo. Oh, that's the doggo actually. So that's the Ferry wheel actually. We never been here. I don't know. Last time was closed or quiet. I don't remember why we didn't come here.
No, maybe last time it's just like, closed because of, I don't know, it's still refurbishment or something like that. And here there are so many nice restaurants overviewing the canal or, there the riverboat cruise or something like that. It's pretty cool. And there is the Ferris wheel. You see how I explained to you guys on the right, on the left, my hand and my brain
Ferris wheel.
is busy. Ferris wheel and then also another
Carousel.
section.
And this is the Hilton Hotel at the front of us. In case if you're looking to stay somewhere in decent place.
Which is that one. It's just really brand new.
Office for rent actually. Everything is new here. True. Idziemy na karuzelę, sayang. Karuzela. Dingy dinga ding and dingy dinga dong. When I see this carousel, I always reminds me of the Squid Game series actually. Squid Game. Right. Oh, and there is the sign of Gdansk actually. Here we go. Gdansk with the ferry wheel.
What is it in a Squid Game?
Dinga 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 da. Baby, there is the sign of Gdansk actually.
Nice. Beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that's the restaurant cruise, like in Bangkok River there.
Aha.
Just the smaller version. Like
Oh, yes, restaurant.
Prayura, like
it.
Prayuraya River or something like that.
Oh, Praya.
Chayo Praya River. Actually very similar. Chayo Praya River mini
And then
version.
look at the wooden boat there, which is the people wearing the safety jacket. So cute.
Okay. Cute, isn't it? That's actually Flappy Vino again. Maybe this restaurant is actually chain from originally from Gdańsk. Because in Poznan there is zero.
What kind of advertise coconut water? Are you sponsored by this?
No, but if they watching, they can sponsor you. It would be nice. Actually, yeah, the proper face for this water.
And then behind me very nice fountain.
Yeah,
Overviewing the city hall.
the city hall, other side. Okay, let's find a way home. So this is also one of the streets,
This is
like
the Amberstone Street or something.
Amberstone Street, with nice little street with the amber sellers and the cobblestone roads.
So cute. So this is what Gdansk is famous for, the ambers. Stone like this, and they have a studio like this. So this street it's called Mariacka Street. Ulica Mariacka is dedicated street for the amber production. You see on the left, on the right side, like this. You see, they just showcase like this.
Nobody is even here.
One thing, even though they showcase like this, nobody steal it.
Yeah,
How safe it is, right?
correct. And here is this decoration only as the lamps.
On the left, on the right.
No tak, everywhere.
Everywhere.
So cute, isn't
They
it?
just showcase like this. You know?
Very cool indeed.
This long street, Mariacka Street, like I told you, it's literally on the right side. There are many amber house or studio amber or something like that. Dedicated street for the amber jewelry store. Interesting. And the background and the Kaminica, so pretty. And then whenever you search in Instagram, like you know what's the Gdansk is famous, this one is actually. Kochanie.
Should I say something? Oh, this one actually reminds me of the small gangs in Ubud, actually kind of same, maybe not same, but same by different land, but
Same but different, yes.
different land.
Look, on the left, on the right side, people are selling the, you know, souvenir. Kochanie,
Yes.
what do you have?
Ice cream.
All right. So what do you think?
I
Summer
think
in
summer in
Poland?
Poland is developing. Each year is becoming more popular. So if you're thinking to come to Gdańsk or Gdynia or Sopot, that's how does it look like. I recommend it, and I will see you on next video. Thanks so much for watching. If you watched till this moment, remember to subscribe, share, like, donations and everything. Whatever you think. Of course, I'm kidding. But thanks for being with us till now after over 6.5 years already. See ya. Thank you. Take care.
Enjoy your ice cream.
Thank you.
Smacznego.
And this is the situation on the main junction, one of the main junction actually in Gdańsk. Check this out. Quite busy though. Sayang hustle and bustle, babe.